Welcome to our journey into the world of generative AI technology, where innovation meets imagination.
Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that is used to generate new content, such as images, text, or even music. This technology has the ability to create realistic and high-quality content that can be used in a variety of applications, from creating art and music to designing new products and services. One of the key tools used in generative AI is the Generative Adversarial Network, or GAN. This type of neural network consists of two parts, a generator and a discriminator, that work together to create new content. The generator creates new content, while the discriminator evaluates the quality of that content and provides feedback to the generator to help improve its output. Another important tool in generative AI is the transformer model, which is a type of neural network that is used for natural language processing tasks. This model has been used to create state-of-the-art language models, such as OpenAI's GPT-3, which can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. Overall, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and create new opportunities for innovation and creativity. By harnessing the power of this technology, we can unlock new possibilities and push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of artificial intelligence.
Thank you for embarking on this exploration of generative AI for content creation. Follow us on social media platforms for exclusive content and community engagement.